Right, so today we're going to fit a mid-size screen to the MT125. The reason being is this bike's going to be used on dual carriageways quite a lot for commuting. Just adding this little bit of screen will just deflect the air above the rider. It'll actually make a massive difference, and I think it'll give us another 1 or 2 miles an hour. Your choice, either more speed or more comfort, but either way it's a great addition for I think £35, something off eBay, black or clear. So the kit comprises of the screen, 4 adapter brackets, 4 new bolts, where the other 2 have gone, I'm not sure. Total of 8 clear washers and some plastic covers. So there's not much to it, there's no instructions, but it is very simple. First of all, we take out the 4 original screws holding this little cowl in place. Now for some reason on this one there's 2 small long ones and 2 slightly thicker shorter ones. On the way, they've all got to come out. Next size Allen key. For some reason they're different sizes, just to make it a bit more awkward. Right, so black ones are slightly longer, they go in the top. Silver ones in the bottom. And the 11mm spanner or socket just tightens them in place. Right, so they're pretty tight, don't over tighten them. Okay, so we've got the bolt, plastic washer, the other plastic washer on the inside. Put the first one in. Make sure we don't cross thread it. Oops. It's there somewhere. There it is, nice and easy. Same with the others now. It's a bit more fiddly here to put this plastic washer behind the screw. And put that one on. Somewhere close. Alright, onto the other side now. Placing the plastic washer behind again. Get it lined up. Get started. Not tight obviously, so we've still got to get the other one on. Oops, a little bit fiddly. That's it. Right, the last one. If I can get the Allen key out. Oh, that's a bit of a pain, isn't it? Why is that stuck in there? Strange. So last one, and again it's quite fiddly to get the washer behind. Might be a case of putting all these on first, then offering the screen up to the original cowling. That's on. Alright, that's it. It's all 4 bolts in. And just carefully tighten them down. It's peculiar, this Allen key keeps getting stuck. This Allen bolt key, whatever. Right. Just nip them up, they don't have to be too tight because you don't want to crack the screen. Alright, and then there's 4 covers to go on the end. And these just push on. Oops. 4 covers. That's it, job done. 5-minute job, pretty quick, makes a big difference, much better for riding the bike. I actually think I like the look of it, it's got a bit of a Batman figure to it, Batman head shape, love it. Right, well, thanks for watching the video, give us a thumbs up if you found that useful, have a go at it yourself now, and subscribe to the channel to see more of the same. Thanks very much. Safe riding.